Experts and policymakers commended the existing linkage between China and Africa in the use of solar energy technologies during a regional conference held in Ethiopia's capital, Addis Ababa. Ajay Mathur, Director General of the International Solar Alliance, underscored China's involvement and huge potential in terms of helping Africa realize its quest for solar energy development.
China is today the largest supplier of solar energy equipment across the world and in Africa. As you see, panels and batteries, they are of Chinese origin.
According to the Ethiopian Ministry of Energy, Chinese companies have undertaken off-grid photovoltaic power station projects in the country, eventually helping thousands of people get access to electricity.
China has been the strong partner of Africa, and of course, as I said, the energy, the power generation, transmission and distribution is not an easy task. Therefore, we need to work in close partnership with all developing partners.